Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, so I've slammed Facebook because they need to be slammed, and I talk positive about Facebook because they do have some good features. Do you not do Facebook? A lot of you have been writing me. Yes, you do everything. If it's free and it's available, it just means more eyeballs. So I recommend still doing Facebook, but not pages. You guys saw my warnings on pages. You're going to spend years building up pages, and it's going to get taken away from you, pretty much like mine did. So anyway, enough crying about that. So let's talk about broadcasting live. All right. You can broadcast live on Twitter. You can broadcast live on Facebook. You can broadcast live on YouTube. It all depends on where your heart is. So let's say you're a YouTube creator, your whole life's on YouTube, like mine. You probably want to feed into that and use YouTube Live. And that's what I do. But what I found out is you can broadcast to YouTube and Facebook at the same time. One tab will have YouTube Live, one tab will have Facebook Live. So I've had issues with Facebook. A lot of you have been writing about that. It seems that I would schedule a live broadcast and then time would come and a little thing would start spinning and it would never go live. I don't know why. Maybe it's a conflict now. So I will test that out and I will give you guys an update later on in the series. But for right now, we're going to attempt to go live on Facebook. You guys ready? And I'll show you how to do it. And do me a favor. Don't go live if you're picking your nose sitting by the pool. Too many people are doing that. They're going live for no reason. Listen, when I first started radio, my program director taught me, you don't open the microphone, you don't speak unless you have something important to say. So unfortunately, too many people think they have something important to say. But don't go live unless, let me tell you the reasons to go live. Because most of you are watching this series for marketing reasons, to promote your business. Don't mix it up. Don't say like, hey, so I voted for the president, blah, 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 and you're going live. You're broadcasting all this personal stuff. And then you're like, oh, by the way, buy my jelly. No, you go live and you showing the jelly being jarred and you show it being labeled and taking it to market or whatever. You're at the Orange County Marketplace and you want to broadcast live from out there saying, hey guys, we're out here live right now selling jelly. It's going great. Hey, Susie, how's your jelly tasting? Is it good? Good. Stay on topic. Don't go all over the place. Nobody just wants to hear you rant about personal stuff. So this is all going live for business reasons, okay? Make sure you don't mix political and religious into your business. So you're a car dealer. You just put some new cars out on sale today. Usually going live is when something currently is happening right this second. So let's say Krispy Kreme's puts their little new donuts hot sign on, and then there's 400 cars waiting to get a Krispy Kreme donut. That's mind blowing. So you may want to go live with that because you're reporting news, you're reporting what's going around town. That's what you do, and you keep people. You have a website and all that, and you're the town newspaper kind of. You report whatever's going on, or a major bad accident, or a tornado. You go live for that right away. But I mean, things people want to see right this moment. That's when you go live. Otherwise, just record yourself and put it up later if it's not time sensitive. So there was one time I was at Walmart and I was shopping for some recipes for the show, and I saw these 3 gnomes. They were cute looking gnomes. They were bobblehead gnomes, and I didn't know which one to buy. And Tammy's like, just pick one. Let's go. And I'm like, I want them all. So anyway, so I went live and I asked my viewers, I said, which one should I get? And they were all chiming in. First one, second one, third one, red hat, sunglasses, which gnome they liked best. I included them in on it. So let's say you do quilts and you can show the latest quilt you just finished. All right. And people will probably start bidding on it. And that's how you sell quilts. Send them to your social media to sign up. You're giving away a free quilt, whatever. That's what live broadcasting is for. Stuff that's interesting in the moment, okay? So let's do a live broadcast right now. Let's share our screen. Hang on a second. Here's how you go live. Go up to where it says what's on your mind, Jack, at the top of your home. If you don't know how to get there, you can either hit Jack or home, either one of these two. And you'll hit this 3-dot button. You want the menu to pop up with more choices. Boop. Here's how you can create a room now. That's a new thing. You can have a room of friends chatting away if you want. Live video right there. So you want to go live. So you hit the live video button and it takes you to this page. This is a new page, a new way to broadcast. So yeah, you can use a streaming key, which I don't know what that is. I don't use a key. That's if you're streaming elsewhere. Use your camera, which you can see I'm on my camera right now, or use a paired encoder. That's for special software for broadcasting. Go live now. So if you look over here, when it says switch to previous version, that gives me concern, okay? Switching to the previous version means this version is still kind of in beta. So this is all beta. If you want to see me you can see me on the screen, on big screen. So let's go down here. I'm posting as Jack Scalfani. Share to your timeline, or you can share to a page you manage, or share in a group. So let's just share on my timeline, because that's the safest place. I don't disrupt anybody. If it shares to a group, my broadcast will be in the group. So let's say you're in a group called Slow Cooker Group, okay? All the people from the Slow Cooker Group will be notified that that you're broadcasting live, okay? So, and then you set the, I want public, you can go public, you can go friends only, friends accept, specific friends only me. I don't want that, I want public. So I close that out. I got the privacy set to public so that everybody can watch if they want to watch. Okay, then you come down here, you got to put in a title. We're going to call this Test Live Facebook. Okay, oops, sorry, my bad. Test Live Facebook, that's the title. So we're then going to put test. You can put anything you want in the description box. This is a video to test the live features we're going to show you. So let's, then you can go live. Now I've tried to schedule up here, schedule a live video. It's never worked since I've scheduled them. So I manually do it for right now until this gets out of beta. They finally get everything fixed. Now, if you're a gamer and you're streaming gaming on your computer, then you got to go down here and it's different. Whoops. Tag a game like Fortnite. You're into Fortnite or Call of Duty or whatever you're doing. Okay, so we're doing our test. Let's go live right now. Then you hit the go live button and it should go live. So we'll check it out. And it's that easy. You can see it'll give you video and audio quality. Well, let's take a look. Go live. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we are now live. Well, not yet. See that circle thing that keeps spinning? That's the issues I've been having with Facebook and going live. It just keeps doing that circle thing. It doesn't show that now it's working. So as you can see right here, I have the flashing live, and then it says end live video. I don't want to end it. So I'm going to sit here. Right in here is the chat window. All right, Jack Scalfani is live now, just now. I can write whatever I want in there if I want. It shows me my audio output, shows me my video output, how fast it's transferring video files, pretty much everything. So I sit here, and I don't know if anybody's here yet. So you're just kind of sitting around waiting. Oh, there we go. Food, food, food. Hey, just testing. And Jim, hi. Yeah, there's Wim. I know all these people. About time. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So I'm loud and clear. Denny just told me. So you can see all their comments. So just so you know, I'm doing this as a test broadcast. I'm recording this whole session so that I can show people. My friend Tito's here, Chris is here, Goran is here, Cameron is here. How you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. And you can see people are starting to pour in. I don't know if I have a number. I'm looking for a number of people that are watching. Normally, like you can go open another tab. Let me show you really quick. Let's open another tab. Let's go to Facebook. And then you should be able to go to your name, Jack. Go to my personal page. It should be right there showing that I'm broadcasting live. I don't know how many people are. See, it shows 20. You can see right there on my feed. No, I don't need to watch that. So 20 people are in the room right now with me. They're chatting with me in the chat window. They're watching me live. Now this would be the time that you would promote whatever you want to promote. Oh, it's 21. Okay, 21. I'm being corrected. 23. They love correcting. People love to correct people. It's the new thing. So yeah. So they're seeing 23 people now. So it should continuously grow. I have about 3,500 friends. So it could just keep going for a while. And then this is where you would do a giveaway or talk about what's on sale, talk about what your business is doing. I know Chris is probably working at the roofing company, so he would probably show, he's putting up a metal roof for the first time, let's say. He's excited about that, so he would go live and he would talk about, look at these metal roofs, they're crazy, they're good, they're bad, whatever. And he would give you his thoughts on that. You don't go live unless you have a reason to talk to people, all right? So it's fluctuating. Oh yeah, because I'm not plugged in. Normally, if you're going live, you want to be plugged into the internet. Don't do Wi-Fi. I'm on Wi-Fi, that's why. Thanks, Cameron. So you want to be plugged in. So I'm going to end this live broadcast. I thank you guys for being a great example of my friends. And we're going to end the live video right now. But I will be live on Saturday morning. You guys know that. Around 9:50 in the morning, all right? Take care, you guys. Talk to you later. So we hit the, if you end this live video now, you'll be able to choose if you want to save it or delete it. Just end. I don't care about saving or deleting it. I'll probably delete it. Delete video and return to newsfeed. So see, it wants to know the quality while I was breaking up. So we're going to do kind of a 3 because it was probably my fault. Video, audio problem, broadcast, delay or lagging. Probably was that. Okay. So see, they can still talk to me in the comment section. I can still see it. See, bye, Jack. I wish I could say goodbye, but I can't write anymore. So delete video and return to newsfeed. I'm just going to leave it alone. You post. Let's take a look. We are now live. Okay, got that. Anyway, so let's go back to Facebook page. So there's the page. Okay, you can watch that video together with other people you want. See, here's all their comments they were writing in the chat window. I can delete this video if I don't want it, or just let it go. But John just commented. What did he write? See, they can continue to comment. John, what'd you write? Hey, just testing. I already put that. Oh, John would be on top. It's weird how there he is. Greetings from SoCal. I'm just going to tell him, greetings. Greetings. Don't want to be rude. I love these guys. They're good friends of mine. All right, so that's how you go live. You start it, you end it. You want to know how many are watching, you got to open another tab and look at the number on top, all right? So, but I highly recommend, let's stop sharing. I highly recommend going live on Facebook. I think like real estate people should be going live. If you're a real estate agent, you should do a tour of the house in a live broadcast during open house day. I don't know. Have somebody do it for you if you're busy answering questions to people. If you're selling cars, if you like I said, if you're doing quilts, if you're cooking, you could do a live cooking episode. I've never done that, but I may do that. All right. So that's an example on how to go live on Facebook. And next week, I think we're going to Twitter. I think it's Twitter next week. So we're going to talk about Twitter. I have to tell you, Twitter is way important, totally different from Facebook. I'll explain how Twitter works, and we'll show you all the maximum benefits, what to do, what not to do, and how to protect yourself on Twitter. All right? It's all about protecting yourself. Okay, guys. I will talk to you later, and we'll see you next week. This never fails. Every time I say goodbye, something pops in my head I forgot to tell you. So I like to jump back on camera and tell you guys exactly. There's a few warnings, okay? So, like when my telephone rings, I have an iPhone, okay? I have it to where I can pick my phone up on my computer, okay? For some reason, if somebody calls, it will interrupt my live broadcast. The little pop in will say, hey, your wife's calling. You want to answer on your computer or your cell phone or whatever. And it will ruin the broadcast. So, what you need to do is before you broadcast, turn your phone on to airplane mode. Okay. If you don't know how to do that, look it up on YouTube. But go to airplane mode so you still get your stuff, but you're not being interrupted. Okay. Then when you're done broadcasting live, if you're broadcasting on your phone live, you don't have to worry about it because it won't be interrupted. But if you're broadcasting on your laptop like I'm doing right now, and you go live and a phone call comes in, it'll kill the broadcast. Everybody will lose you. You'll have to rebroadcast, reshare the link. I mean, it's a total mess. So that's warning number one. Warning number two, you can set moderators. I don't know if you can do this on Facebook. I've never tried, but I do know I'm almost positive you can, where people can moderate for you. Some people say some not nice things in the comment section, and you can block them, or you can moderate yourself if you want. You can go block or whatever. YouTube allows you to set moderators, so does Facebook. So find out where that feature is. Set a few friends as moderators that you trust, okay? Because they're going to have total control of your broadcast with you. And don't let them block friends that you care about. Sometimes you got to jump in and say, hey, well, not him. I know what he said was stupid, but, let that fly. But anyway, so you want moderators. You don't want to get a phone call, put your phone on airplane mode so don't interrupt your computer. If you could answer the phone on your computer. And those were the warnings that popped in my head. Is there anything else before I say goodbye? No. Goodbye.